Are you ready to step into nature's magical journey? Majestic, strange, and unpredictable scenes are waiting.
¡Guarda, guarda, 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 guarda! ¡Fuera, fuera, fuera, fuera!
From glowing skies and crashing waves to creatures you rarely get to see, the world is full of breathtaking moments that seem almost too unreal to believe. Today we'll explore these wonders together, diving into the raw beauty and sheer force of nature. In central Texas, strong winds and hail brought down trees in just minutes. In southwest France, hailstones the size of golf balls bounced off trampolines and rooftops. Oh! One moment you could hear birds singing, the next it was a battlefield of ice and thunder.
That's good.
In Mississippi, a powerful storm tore through towns as traffic lights swung violently in the wind, dangling like toys in the storm's grip. A chase between two fish painted the sea with movement. And in another rare moment, a pink dolphin surfaced, its unusual color like something straight out of a painting. A goat with 3 horns shocked villagers who had never seen anything like it.
Oh my gosh. Bennett!
In the mountains, a dog and its owner narrowly escaped a sudden landslide, a reminder of how fragile life can be when the earth itself shifts beneath us.
Dicen que es grande, va mucha.
Wow,
Miren, 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 caballo, ahorita lo...
Near Everest Base Camp, an avalanche came roaring down the slopes, swallowing everything in its path. Climbers ran for cover, the ground trembling like a living beast. Controlled avalanches, triggered with explosives, were also filmed, giant rivers of snow thundering down to prevent even bigger disasters later. The island of Lefkada in Greece shook violently as an earthquake rattled homes, sending residents into the streets.
Mira, no, el que viene de abajo. No.
At the same time, the lighter side of nature appeared. A baby seal played with waves on the shore, showing how even in harsh environments, life finds joy.
Wow! Wow!
In Antarctica, thousands of Adelie penguins marched in unison, creating what looked like their own natural highway across the ice. In Gary, Indiana, a tornado ripped through backyards, splintering fences and throwing objects across the air.
Oh my God!
In Chicago, an electrical storm lit up skyscrapers, striking multiple towers at once and turning the skyline into a theater of fire and light.
Oh my God.
Nashville, Tennessee, was battered with wind and rain so thick the city seemed to vanish into white sheets of water.
Storm Francine hit with fierce winds.
Oh my God.
In one city, a giant inflatable elephant was lifted by winds, floating like a cartoon balloon into the sky.
Machine? What the Yeah, tornado.
In Idaho, a trampoline rolled across the street, bouncing like a toy in a child's hand. But not all storms are funny. In Syria, a weakened building collapsed after an aftershock, turning dust and stone into rubble. In New Jersey, floodwaters didn't just cover the streets, they swept brand new cars out of a dealership, leaving them piled and twisted like toys. Sinkholes swallowed golf courses, fiery tornadoes lit up wildlands, and floods swept through villages in Guatemala. Through it all, one lesson remains: Nature is unpredictable, unstoppable, and awe-inspiring. Each disaster carries a warning, each miracle a reminder to respect the fragile balance of life on Earth.
If you'll enjoy this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more information.